As I approach the bike in the morning, I see a pure mechanical machine. A machine designed for freedom, excitement, speed. It awakens the inner kid in you. It makes you feel alive. Some bikes have an engine that when put in a car, it wouldn't even move from a standstill. Yet, when in a bike, it's faster than any car, super or hyper in our congested cities. Yet other bikes have an engine that most cars would be proud to have under their hood. Some cars, like the Ariel Atom, come close, but still they don't stand a chance. I put my helmet on, and all the stresses and worries melt away. It creates a sense of isolation, while at the same time, all your senses are triggered and pushed to overdrive. It's that heightened awareness that keeps us alive, and at the same time, notice the most minute detail in our surroundings. Put the key in, switch it on, and the bike comes alive. I can almost hear it say, "Good morning, RJ. We're gonna have some fun today." No matter if we are riding in the city, in the desert, in the middle of nowhere, we are going to have fun. They all have unique, awesome sounds. A single, a parallel twin, an inline four, or a V-twin. Hang on, did I mention the glorious sound of two strokes? Put it in first gear and you can actually feel the mechanical marvel of cogs engaging. No, we don't need refinement, we need to feel. Have we got enough limbs? Our left hand controlling the steering and the clutch. Our right, the accelerator, the front brake, and the steering. Our left foot going up and down the gears while controlling our balance. Our right foot controlling the rear brake and balance. Our body positioning controlling how the bike behaves. Front bias for better front end grip, back for wheelies and sand riding. Side to side for better cornering. The list is endless. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, riding is my relief, my medicine in this crazy world.